Walking with Jesus. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever gone for a walk with someone you love? Maybe your mom, dad, grandparent, or a friend. When you walk with someone, you stay close, you listen to them, you go where they go. Walking with Jesus is just like that, but even better. When you walk with Jesus, He will help us know what is right, what is kind, and what is loving. The close daily friendship with Jesus is called communion. Today we are going to learn about someone in the Bible who walked with Jesus, and was Moses. When Moses was a baby, he was saved from danger. He grew up in a big palace with fancy clothes and important people. But even though he had many things, Moses did not yet know God's plan for his life. One day, Moses was far away tending sheep. It was quiet, it was ordinary, and then something amazing happened. Moses saw a bush with fire, but the bush did not burn up. God spoke to Moses from the bush. God was inviting Moses to walk with him. Moses was afraid, but he listened. That means Moses talked with God, listened to God, and trusted Him day after day. So adventurous, we do not have to be grown up to walk with Jesus. Let us remember Jesus' promise. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have a light of life. It comes from the book of John, chapter 8, verse 12. Jesus spoke to the Pharisees again. I am the light of the world, he said. Whoever follows me will have the light of life and will never walk in darkness. Amen? Adventurers, Jesus is inviting you to walk with Him, to stay close to Him, and to go where He goes. Let's believe and pray. Dear Jesus, thank you for being our light. Thank you for walking with us every day. Help us to pray, listen, and follow you at home, at school, and wherever we go. We choose to walk with you. Amen.